Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off with the FENTY Beauty Primer and the MAC Foundation. I do apologize, I had to do my brows and my lids off camera, sort of. Not that I did them off camera, I did do them off camera, but I had a technical difficulty and couldn't upload that part. I don't know why, but I didn't want to not upload for you guys. So I'm using the Real Technique sponge. This is the only sponge I've been using lately. I don't want to use any other sponge. It's just so good. It blends everything so well. And just keep blending. I need something for my little hairs. I need something to put on my head. I'm using my favorite Real Techniques brush. You can find this on Ulta. Again, I will put it down below. Guys, please subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you like it. And let me know if you guys want me to post more content and what else you guys want me to post. I'm using the KKW concealer in number 1. And this thing is amazing. I just can't get enough of it. I ordered more. I'm just waiting for them to ship. I'm using a Makeup Shack brush. This brush blends so well, and it's so soft. I'm so ready to do more looks for you guys, because lately I've been so into into neutral and natural looks. I'm using the Tarte concealer in light sand, and you can get this at Ulta. It looks like the video is going fast, but I just had to make it fast for you guys because this video was really long. You just want to blend that in there with the sponge. I'm going back with that brush just to make sure I blend everything out with the contour. Baking powder. You know I love my iced coffee. I need that iced coffee. Rid of that powder with a big fluffy brush. over this quarantine. Like, seriously. I'm going in with the color I used for my lids, which again, I will list everything below for you guys, even what I used on my lids. I will make sure I list the color and everything on the palette. I'm gonna blend that out with a blending brush. And then I'm going in with the KKW bronzer. Make sure you get that blend out. See, this is what I'm talking about. I need something for my hair because they're all up in the way. I'm using the Anastasia highlight, the Amrezy highlight, I believe her name is. And just a little bit on my nose and my chin. I'm going in with the MAC lip pencil in the color Whirl. This is such a cute lip pencil. You guys need to get your hands on it. Going for more like a peachy lip today. I'm going in with the color Naturally Transformed. I can't find this anywhere and I need to restock. If you guys know where I can find it, please let me know in the comments below. And I'm going in with Super Nude by KKW, of course. Such a beautiful gloss. And I'm going to take a brush and blend that out. So cute. So nice for the spring and the summer. Setting spray, girl. Yes. And that is the final look, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what more you want to see. Bye guys, thank you for watching.